Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel! Magluluto tayo ngayon ng fried rice. Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel! Tina Girl Cochera. For today, I'm going to cook fried rice. So, for the ingredients, we have, of course, leftover rice. And I have marinated pork. I marinate with sesame oil, dark soya, pepper, and we have sausage, garlic, carrots, and of course our egg. So let's do this cooking. So first we put a bit of oil on the pan. Some more. Okay, and second, we put our garlic, and we stir. I cook for myself only, guys, so I use this small pan, and so we stir until a little bit, until they're golden brown. And second, put our carrot and the sausage together. We can also put our meat. We can put all together. And we put on the side. So this time we put our rice. So I have my rice. So this is my rice. And stir. And of course for my egg, I put like soya, beef. Yeah. So put more. Okay. And stir. Mix, and now we can mix it into our rice. Okay, ayan, so we're almost done. We'll wait for the rice that become dry. So we're almost done. And of course, our fried rice is not complete without spring onion. So I put sprinkles, a bit of spring onions on top, so it looks nice. And we taste it if it's good taste. And I think it's good because Tina is cooking for today. This is my first time to do this. So let's see the taste. I'm going to eat now, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.